Hello everyone. So today we're going to be framing a little image into a small frame, and I'm going to show you how to do that. I had a frame made in the size that I needed it, and I cut a mat to fit that frame and the image that we're going to be working with. Which is an image of a lighthouse. So I measured the image and had the mat cut so that it would fit exactly the way that I desired. I have some acid-free framers tape here. I'm going to just cut a piece off and apply it to the back of my image. Then I'm going to lift my mat up and I'm going to place the image inside exactly the way that I wanted it when I measured. I measured this so that it would have a little border around it and give the effect of having a double matting. Then you want to check and make sure that all of the dust is off of your matting before you put the glass and the frame on. I have a little brush that I use. Just a little brush, and just get everything off of the front. And then you want to check your glass for any dirt or fingerprints before you seal your frame up. Dust it off again. And even if I don't see any, I like to go around it and make sure there's no smudges on there. Once it's in the frame, it's a lot harder to get it off. Flip it over and do the same on the other side. Okay. Now that that's done, I can grab my frame and place that on the top. I'm just going to slide it off and flip it over. I'll put a list of all of the tools I'm using in the description. And then the final touch will be adding a paper dust backing. And we're going to use our handy little paper guide tool and cut that a nice straight edge. You can also use a box cutter if you don't have one of these tools. I'm going to use a pen and I'm going to make a mark on the back here. Make sure you check to see that you have the top of your image before doing this. And I'm just going to make a little pen mark, if my pen will work here. Come on, pen. Just make a little pen mark on the back of the paper. And then I will grab 2 screws and our hanger pieces and my drill, and we will screw those in. some wire to the back of the painting, or the framed piece. Voila, there's our framed picture, ready to hang on the wall. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more video content.